Hello group. This is answer to question asked about intraday. You see, the question is how to find some trading strategy based on the trading hours, like buy, for example, 10 o'clock a.m. and sell 3 o'clock p.m., whatever. How to analyze the chart like this. Okay, I will show you how to do it, but kind of disclaimer. You see, my friends, intraday, this is very different story, because if you for intraday chart there are many players here, there are many interests here. This is kind of building analyzing behavior on a very busy marketplace. There are many participants there, so you should always remember about that, and later I will show you how it really works. So this is chart. The user sent me this chart. This is 5 minutes S&P 500. It covers 1 year, almost 1 year and a half, 17 months of price history, 5 minutes price chart. Okay, by the way, I will check what chart is. What is that? I see. You see, this is intraday weekly chart. It means it opens Monday and closes Friday, and with overnight sessions. Okay, I will pick up latest price history, and you see what first step I recommend to do. This is run natural cycle, this feature. Check this option, and you see by default the program will show you journal cycle. This is daily cycle. It shows the daily movement for S&P 500. You see this pattern. You see since May, midnight May till 6 till midnight next day 7. This pattern repeats all the time. For the next day it will be the same pattern, and so on. And this projection line is based on 17 months of price history. This is a big sample size. It's about 400 trading days, as I understand. Yeah, 400 trading days, about that. So this is journal cycle, daily cycle, based on a 17 months of price history. What next I recommend to do? I recommend to click this button, and there is one more option here, fast journal. Okay, fast daily cycle. What is that? You see this red line. I will do it bolder. Click this button, and thickness, let's set it to 4. Okay, so what is that? This is the same journal cycle, daily cycle. It shows the daily movement for S&P 500, but based on not all available price history, but on this last 3 trading days. SM equals 3. Stock memory equals 3. Last 3 cycles. Last 4 days, it's still different. You see this blue that is based on all available price history, and red that is available last 4 days. They are very different. So maybe you see, we can say maybe only last 4 days S&P moves something strange, crazy. But let's analyze, include more days. Okay, you see it's still different. Let's say increase it to, for example, 10. Yeah, you see, this is red based on 10 days, and it's still different. It means that this cycle is not stable. Yeah, just you need to understand how to analyze risk, how we can trust this projection line. Average it shows this one, blue one, but the last 10 days it works different. It means that no, it's not reliable results based on this cycle, but some things is possible to do. I will show you what we can do. As an example, I will show you example of good stable cycles. I have downloaded already S&P 500 daily data, daily end of day data, and we will calculate now for daily data, of course, we will calculate annual cycle. I still click this option, and now it shows annual cycle. You see, this is blue. This is annual cycle based on all available price history for S&P 500. It's 80 years, 80 years. And red, this is a fast annual cycle based on last 3 years. Last 3 years, I will check it out. Yeah, you see, I checked the annual cycle based on all available price history, a fast annual cycle based on last 3 years. Let's increase it to, you see, they are different, but there are some patterns here. So you see this pattern, this pattern. Let's increase it, set it to 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, we increase, and these projection lines getting closer. It means that annual cycle is more stable than a diurnal daily cycle for intraday. Just you need to understand the stability, the idea of cyclical stability. Okay, but some things we can do. I will show you. Okay, these two projection lines give us some idea how price moves within day. But you see, to get more statistically verified results, we need to apply another techniques. But disclaimer once again, you see, actually timing solution is not developed for this kind of techniques, so you need some additional calculation to make it. But this is possible. This is not big deal. Okay, so do this. Click ULE, and ULE there is event calendar in section day. You can already set here. You can set some time, anytime, like set it 12:10 AM. So type here 10 and calculate, and we will get event for 10 p.m. 10 p.m. we will get vertical stripe here. Okay. 10, yeah, 4. Yeah. 10 p.m. But let's type here 12 p.m. 12 p.m. it's noon, exactly noon. Noon. Done. Replace, and let's we will calculate it. So we will get events. So we will get a stripe for noon, exactly for this moment. And now we will analyze price movement 12 hours before noon and 12 hours after noon. Afternoon. 12 hours. 12 hours, our chart, this is 5-minute chart. 1 hour covers how many? 12 bars. So totally 12 hours, it will be 12 multiplied 12, about 144 bars. So we will analyze S&P 500 behavior, 144 bars before and after midnight. Midnight is already calculated. So now you see we already calculated this event, and now run efficiency test. Statistic and run it. Wait a bit, it calculates a few, maybe 1 minute. Okay, this is efficiency test. Let's this efficiency test. I will set bar 144. 144. Because and click calculate 144. You see 0. This is noon. This is 12 p.m. and this is 144. This is 12 hours before noon. This is midnight previous day and midnight next day. So this is whole day. Midnight. This is noon 12 p.m. and this is midnight previous day, midnight next day. And now you see, now we try to find predictable zones. So you see, just drag and drop. For example, maybe predictable zones is here, like from here to here. What is that? What we will get? You see, while you move this predictable zones, it shows you the percentage. Oh, by the way, I have found predictable zones. 61%. What is this strategy? This is strategy 73 bars before culmination and 6 bars before culmination. Price goes up 61%. 60, you see this up 61%. And now it's easy to calculate what time is it. You see this is noon and this is 73 bars before noon. 73 multiply 5. And just a second, I will type you. I will show you. Okay, look at this. I made these calculations. You see 73 bars before culmination. Before culmination, this is 12 p.m. This is noon. And calculation, this calculation, 73 bars before 12 p.m. 73 bars, 1 bar, so this is 5 minutes. So 73 multiply 5, we got 365 bars before culmination. Okay. 375 minutes before 12 p.m. and just make calculation. 375, this is 5 hours 5 minutes before p.m. and this is 5 hours 55 p.m. So we can easily calculate these dates. So these predictable zones give you 71% good trades. And by the way, last 2 days it worked good. It's 2 downs, 1 up. Not it works not good. It should be up. What else I recommend to you can use also this feature optimization and click optimize. And now you need to wait a bit because now the program will rate these events because it takes some time. Wait several minutes. I will next update I will do like it should point that you need to wait. Okay, done. You see it have found up strategy. This strategy up you see 98.3. See maybe yeah this 63%. And down strategy also it has found some down strategy, down predictable zones. So this way you can find predictable zones for intraday. That's it. Thank you.